Hi guys, I'm EJ and I will be your tech guider. And today, I will show you how to switch the signal of iWatchYou AHD camera to CVBS, CVI, or TVI using the OPT DVR. Let's go! If you already have an existing CCTV system and you don't know what signal of your DVR is, our AHD camera are just right for you. It supports analog, CVI, and TVI signal that will work with any video recorder. Basically, we have two types of camera here. One is with OSD and the other one is without OSD. Let's do the camera with OSD first. On the camera with OSD, we need to change the camera signal depending on what signals that DVR support. If it only supports CVI signal, then let's switch the camera from HD to CVI by holding the down button for 5 seconds. If TVI, hold left button. Hold right button if you have an older DVR which is only supports CVBS. And hold up to return it to HD signal. Now, on the camera without OSD controller, we will access the settings of the camera by using the OPT DVR. So on the DVR, right-click on the channel where the camera is connected. Then click PTZ controller. Then click OSD menu. Now we can see the controller on the right side. Click the menu. Go to the video setting by using the OSD button on the DVR. Now you can change the video signal of your camera, then click apply and reboot. It's important that the DVR and camera have the same signal for this to work. And if not, your camera won't work or you will have a problem with the display. If your DVR only supports one signal, better to have a camera with the OSD button, so you can easily change and match it with your DVR. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be updated. Again, I'm EJ of OPENPINOY. If I can do it, they can do it. Why not you? See ya!